This is about the quickest, easiest way to get a live blog up and working and how to interact with it to start getting information up on the web. I'm not going into details in this. We're just going to show how to basically get the blog up and going. I'm not going to try and make it look good or anything. We want to concentrate on creating the ability to get content out on the web via a blog. So when we came to www.tumblr.com, tumblr.com, and this is a free blogging platform. It's one of the easiest ones to use. So you just come in, you enter your email address, password, and URL. It's going to say .tumblr.com, and you put in the first section there where I put in Metzger Business. Go ahead and click sign up and start posting. And it comes right here to create your first post. Let's see here if it lets me do that. So create your first post. I can create a text post, a photo. This quote means that it will basically show up on my blog as quotation marks. I can just do a link to another thing. Don't worry about chat right now. Audio is pretty neat. We'll talk about it later. Video is pretty neat. We'll talk about it later, but not to worry about those right now. Let's just talk about doing text posts. The reason for this blog, the reason we want to get this out is because I want to concentrate on helping folks who are looking for a job figure out how to start getting content out on a blog. So you go here, you click on text, and it just pops up this field. RST post. And so you type in your title. I am doing a video on posting to my new blog. There you go. And you don't even have to worry about anything else, but you've got options over here for publishing options. Publish now, you can add it to a queue so that it publishes at a different time, or publish on a date, or save as a draft private. Generally, for the purposes that we're talking about, just leave it at publish now, leave the date as now, and then tag this post. This is going to be, so when you're creating a blog for whatever it is that you're creating it for, you're going to want to put your keywords in this tag, and you just put those keywords separated by a comma. So blog, and when you hit the comma, it actually creates that keyword with the X there. Post, first post, etc. So, and you just go ahead and put those in. The other thing that's really nice here is with this set a custom URL, you can say first, and I would use underscores or dashes, blog post, and that makes it easier to link back, to know how to link back to your URL. And then you just create post. You can always preview it. Okay, so you type that in. Now there's a couple things you do need to do, and it didn't ask me to do it initially. So you're going to customize your blog. We'll just put a Metzger Business here. Test. If I want to upload, I can upload a picture. I'm not going to right now. I would recommend that you do a professional picture. And click on it. Now this is coming into configuration stuff. And I'm going to tell you not to worry about configuring anything. Just start using this. So you can click Save and Close. If you want to know more about configuration, we can talk about that another time. I'll give more details in another thing. Don't worry about this. Just the purposes of what we're talking about. We've got our blog post up. So now you're going to have your dashboard here. And your dashboard, when you log into Tumblr from now on, is where you're going to enter your new posts. And they'll be displayed at the URL that we put in initially, the Metzger Business. So